Hello friends, so this is the new addition to my kitchen, which is air fryer. So we can cook oily fried foods in this air fryer without any extra oil. So these are its attachments. There is a food separator, a grill. This is the main basket in which the food is placed and it is air fried. And this is the base of this basket in which the extra oil is collected. So in this air fryer you can cook various types of recipes like french fries, frozen nuggets, even you can cook bharwa bangan, bhindi sabzi and lots of vegetables in it with a little oil. So now we can eat fried foods on the daily basis without any guilt.